Okay, so perimeter. So we left off last time on this semicircle. So hopefully you remember, to get the perimeter of a full circle, my formula is 2 times pi times my radius, which I can also write as 2 pi r. In this case, I'm going to go 2 times pi times 5. Now, what that would give me would be the perimeter of a full circle if I had it, but I don't actually have the full circle. So in this case, I'm just going to divide my answer by 2 because I've got half a circle. Otherwise, I could have times it by, remember we did the degrees divided by 360 thing. So in this case, 180 over 360, which is still a half. So once you put that through, you'd wind up with an answer of 15.7. That's just for the arc, so that's just getting the little arcy area around the outside there. And then, of course, to get the perimeter of the full shape, I would then need to add on the other, the length across the bottom here. Now, if half of that's 5, the full length there, of course, is going to be 10. So all up, I'd have the arc, which is 15.7, plus my radius of 5, and plus the radius again on the other side, or you could have just put the 10 in there, which will give you an answer of 25.7, and that was in centimetres. Okay. Our next shape is what we call a wedge. So again, what we're going to be working on here is, first of all, just to get the arc, and the formula for that is basically the formula for the full perimeter of a circle, which is 2 times pi times my radius. But then, because we don't have a full circle, we need to times that out by whatever our angle is, divided by 360 to get what fraction of a circle we do have. So in this case, for the arc, we are going 2 times pi times 6, and then we're going to times that out by our angle, which is 50, divided by 360, and that's going to give us just the arc. So the perimeter of the arc itself would be 5.2 once you've done all that. And then you need to remember to add on the 2 straight lines, which is the radius across the bottom and the radius across the top. So we're then adding for the full perimeter of the shape. So my perimeter would be the arc of 5.2 plus my 2 radius lengths of 6 and 6 again. So altogether we would have a perimeter of 17.2 centimetres. Okay, it would be the same process for these next 2 wedges. So I won't do the full thing, but we'll just do the process if you like. So again, for a full perimeter of a circle, it would be 2 times pi times my radius, which in this case is 8. But because we don't have a full circle, we times that out by the angle, which in this case is 120, divided by 360, which would be a full circle. That end part tells us what fraction of the circle we've got. That will give you just the arc of this shape. And then to get the full perimeter, you would then add on the 2 straight radius lengths to the sides here. Oops, I've lost my pencil again. Okay, we might have to stop there for a moment. There we go. No, we've got it. So, and then we've got those 2 lengths. I'm sorry, my pencil is done.